In this quick tutorial, we are going to tell you how to completely uninstall AVG Secure Browser with leftovers from Windows 10. We are recording this video on a Windows 10 powered machine, but the process is pretty the same for the users of Windows 7 and Windows 8. We don't recommend to use Windows Native or built-in uninstaller utility. The native uninstaller program does not wipe out harmful and unnecessary leftovers. We will be using a third-party uninstaller software, which is called Soft Organizer. This useful software is offered in paid and free versions. Download and install Soft Organizer. You may find the download link in the video description box. After the installation is complete, open up Soft Organizer. Locate, and then click on AVG Secure Browser. Click on Uninstall Application. Please wait for 1 to 5 seconds. Click on Uninstall to begin the uninstallation. Now exit. The uninstallation is complete. Soft Organizer will scan for harmful leftovers. Click on Search to begin the scanning. Here you will have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. The scan is complete. Click Remove to delete AVG Secure Browser's traces. All leftovers or traces have been removed. Click Finish to exit. We do hope today's video has been informative and useful to you. If we could not explain anything properly, you may contact us to ask for any help and info via the comments section. Team Software Geek will try to help you. The comments section can also be used for questions, suggestions, and feedback.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.